17 September 3:15 p.m. I'm starting with thyroid tumors and मेरा आज का target है मेरा जितना भी बचा हुआ syllabus I have to complete it. I'll put the vlog by 1 or 2 a.m. That's my target and I want to start ENT today as well. I'll keep you guys updated. 5 p.m. and I have shifted to CNS because I found that hormone वाला chapter बहुत boring and I'm trying desperately कि मेरा रात तक complete हो जाए pathology because I'm honestly done with it. अभी मेरे से नहीं होगा. Like I'm so bored of it. I'm doing it for last so many days. Now if you're following the same schedule, I'll be doing ENT till 20th. अगर उससे पहले हो जाए तो well and good. But मेरे को लगता नहीं मेरा होगा. Considering the fact that मैं हमेशा syllabus से पीछे ही चलती हूँ. And from 21st, I'm not sure if I should start ortho or surgery. I'll decide once I do ENT. Also guys, do let me know in the comment section what is your approach towards completing the modules and how many hours do you study, how many question banks do you do, and are you giving the GTs frequently? The most asked question that I have been getting for the past 1 or 2 days is that am I doing the main videos or the revision videos? So I'm doing the main videos because I want to build my concepts really strong and there are many subjects that I have studied well in my 3rd year and 4th year. So it's sort of a revision that I'm doing. Obviously 100% नहीं है दिमाग में but काफ़ी कुछ is retained and yeah, it is quite time taking. So I would say do whatever suits you. If you have strong concepts and if you feel like you are able to study only a certain amount of hours in a day and you'll not be able to do the main videos. Like I was finding myself stuck in a loop on 12th, the day I started putting vlogs on YouTube. So if you feel like कि नहीं मेरे से सिर्फ इतने ही घंटे पढ़ा जाएगा, मेरे से 10-12 घंटे नहीं पढ़े जाते दिन के, then don't do main videos. You go for revision videos, you do PYTs, you do PYQs, you solve question banks and give GTs and you'll get a decent rank. So don't compare कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. Maybe what suits for me won't suit to you and what suits for you won't work for me. Right now I'm doing main videos but अगर मुझे किसी भी दिन लगा कि नहीं अब मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा मेन वीडियोस एंड मेरे एक्सपेक्टेड टाइमलाइन से ये ज़्यादा टाइम ले रहा है, आई जस्ट स्टॉप डूइंग मेन वीडियोस दैट डे एंड आई स्विच टू रिविजन वीडियोस. I have done around 10 to 11 subjects already and that's why I'm continuing doing the main videos. But again, it depends on you ki what source you want to go for. Ultimately, it all comes down to one thing, the amount of revisions you do and the MCQ solving art. It all comes down to this because NEET PG is an objective exam, right? So ultimately MCQ solve करना आना चाहिए, time management करना आना चाहिए. The thing is कि अभी हमारे पास time है, अभी काफ़ी महीने बचे हैं. So you can take it slow. I would not say slow, but like yeah, अभी तुम्हारा time है when you know you can read multiple things and तुम अपने concepts build कर सकते हो. But again, plan a schedule that works for you. I'm saying this again and again because हर person का retaining capacity अलग है. There have been many students जिन्होंने revision videos और BTR करके उन लोगों से ज़्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है compared to those who studied main notes. Ultimately, I'm also thinking that I'll do BTR, but I'll be doing it later on. एक बार जब मेरा main videos हो जाएगा पूरा, मेरा first sheet हो जाएगा, then I'll go for BTR because I want कि उसमें मेरा active recall हो, मेरा सब कुछ पढ़ा हुआ हो. 2:20 a.m. 3 modules are left. Pituitary, parathyroid and breast. इसके बाद फिर पैथोलॉजी हो जाएगा मेरा. I'll upload the vlog only after completing the whole of path. ये सारे हो गए हैं and these I'll do बाद में. I'll not watch the videos. Systemic while revising I'll do and instruments I'll just read the notes. So finally मेरा पैथो होने वाला है और व्लॉग प्रॉबेबली सुबह आएगा बिकॉज मुझे बिना कंप्लीट किए नहीं डालना है. My target is going to be ENT for 18. As you can see, I have done just 27 modules out of 65. अगर मुझे 3 दिन में कंप्लीट करना है सो आई हैव टू डू अराउंड लाइक 12 to 13 मॉड्यूल्स ईच डे. So tomorrow I'll try and complete till chronic squamous otitis media या फिर complications of otitis media. यहाँ तक I'll do by tomorrow. एंड अगेन कल का ब्लॉग भी लेट ही आएगा बिकॉज जब में से 6 मॉड्यूल्स नहीं होते एक दिन में तो इतने सारे तो कैसे ही होंगे. Also guys, do let me know what is your speed of studying. Like, am I going too slow? Because abhi to I'm very happy with my progress, because obviously I was not being able to be consistent with the studies. Like, not like I was not consistent, because I was doing like 4 to 5 modules, but itna 10 modules nahi ho pata tha abhi mere se. So do let me know ki like, is the speed fine, or would you like to give me any suggestions? Any sort of suggestion is most welcome. Finally done. ख़त्म हुआ मेरा पैथोलॉजी. आई कांट इवन टेल यू मैंने कितना रो करके कंप्लीट किए हैं लास्ट के मॉड्यूल्स. नाउ आई डोंट नो, अगर मुझे नींद आई तो आई विल स्लीप एंड आई विल स्टार्ट ENT ASAP. आई विल अपडेट यू गाइस टुमारो कि मेरा कितना कंप्लीट हुआ है.